Hello friends, and welcome to Cooking with Rod. All the ingredient amounts will be down in the description below, and you can pause the video as you do each step of the recipe. If you make this recipe, please leave a comment and let us know how it went. Alright, today we're making homemade summer sausage. It delivers a classic gift basket flavor without a smoker and without weeks of curing. Using a simple oven method and a quick smoking wash, this beef summer sausage comes together in just a few days and makes a perfect centerpiece for any charcuterie board. In this video, I'll walk you through the shaping, curing, slow baking, and drying a traditional style summer sausage that slices beautifully and tastes incredible. Perfect for the holiday entertaining or homemade food gifts. Another Chef John special. Okay, first we're going to dice up a 1/4 cup of celery. This is where it gets the nitrates from to cure the meat. Now we'll smash that up with a mortar and pestle. Then we're going to add that to the ground beef in a large bowl. Then using our hands, we're going to gently mix that in. Now we're going to add our garlic powder, smoked paprika, mustard seeds, salt, black pepper, cayenne, curing salt, and sugar. Then we're going to mix that thoroughly by hand until fully combined and slightly sticky. Then we're going to transfer that to a piece of parchment paper and shape it into a tight 3 to 4 inch thick log. Then we're going to roll that very tightly in the parchment paper, compressing well, and twist the ends to seal. Now we're going to line a baking sheet and place that on there and refrigerate it for 24 hours. Then the next day we're going to preheat our oven to 275 Fahrenheit or 135 Celsius. Then in a small bowl we're going to mix our liquid smoke and water. Then we're going to unwrap our sausage and brush generously over the surface of the meat. You can brush some on the parchment paper as well. Then we'll re-roll that back up in the parchment paper. Then we'll very tightly wrap that in tinfoil, twist the ends together. Then we're going to poke 5 or 6 holes along the bottom. Now we're going to place that on a wire rack on the baking sheet and place an oven safe thermometer in there. Now we're going to bake that until it's an internal temperature of 150 degrees Fahrenheit or 66 Celsius. Takes about an hour and a half. Then we're going to remove that from the oven and let it cool down to room temperature. Then we're going to place it in the refrigerator overnight. Then we're going to unwrap it, slice it in half, and coat the exterior with freshly ground black pepper. Now we're going to place it on a foil-lined plate and refrigerate it for 24 hours. So there you go. Homemade summer sausage. Enjoy. The complete written recipe will be in the description box down below, so check that out. If you like my content, I'll put a couple of videos that you can watch until my next upload. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, ring the bell, and share with your friends. We'll see you next time.